Stop scrolling. These 20 woodworking tools on Amazon are so genius, most carpenters don't even know they exist yet. If you're into woodworking, DIY builds, or just love a good workshop upgrade, you're about to see gadgets that'll save you hours of work, and honestly, make your projects look 10 times more professional. We're talking clever clamps, precision jigs, hidden gem measuring tools, and gadgets that solve problems you didn't even know you had. Every single one is affordable, highly rated, and available right now on Amazon. Stick around, because tool number 7 is an absolute game changer for anyone who works with wood. Let's get into it. Achieve flawless detail work without the strain of hand sanding. Presenting the Milwaukee Orbital Detail Sander, a precision instrument that offers superior access to tight corners and contours, stain-grade finishes, and quicker material removal. For challenging woodworking projects, it combines high performance with dependable efficiency, thanks to the PowerState brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence. Its contoured detail pad reaches deep into 90-degree corners, while the lightweight ergonomic design reduces fatigue during extended use. Compatible with long-lasting reusable mesh sanding sheets, it is perfect for cabinets, trim, doors, handrails, live edge projects, and intricate woodworking surface preparation. Finish fastening jobs faster with one tool built for speed, precision, and convenience. Introducing the Uhfsyut Cordless Drywall Screw Gun, a versatile 2-in-1 self-feeding screwdriver that quickly transforms from a high-performance drywall screw gun into an electric screwdriver for DIY and professional projects. Its one-handed adjustment system easily accommodates screws from 3/4 to 2 3/16 inches, while the 360-degree rotating head provides effortless access to tight spaces. Powered by a 21-volt 4.0 amp-hour battery, it includes a storage toolbox and 300 screws, so you're ready to work immediately. Perfect for drywall installation, furniture assembly, renovations, and home improvement tasks. Take on every routing project with one versatile tool that delivers professional precision. Meet the Eastyle Plunge Router Combo, a cordless woodworking router compatible with DeWalt 20-volt and 60-volt batteries, and equipped with built-in low-voltage protection for added safety. Its plunge and fixed bases let you switch easily between trimming, grooving, slotting, carving, and milling. The 600-watt brushless motor delivers speeds up to 28,000 revolutions per minute, while soft start, constant speed control, quick break, precision micro-depth adjustment, and 5 variable speed settings ensure smooth, accurate results. Perfect for cabinetry, furniture making, DIY projects, and fine woodworking. Power through demanding drilling jobs without being tied to an outlet. Introducing the Makita brushless right-angle drill, engineered to deliver 36-volt performance with corded-grade power in a compact cordless design. It drills up to 6 1/4-inch holes with hole saws and 4 5/8-inch holes with self-feed bits, while the variable 2-speed gearbox offers 0 to 350 revolutions per minute for high torque and 0 to 1,400 revolutions per minute for faster drilling. Automatic speed change technology, a built-in torque limiter, and a toolless 7/16-inch hex sleeve maximize efficiency and safety. Compatible with Makita's LXT battery system, it is perfect for construction, plumbing, electrical work, and heavy-duty drilling. Create smooth, professional finishes with less effort on every project. Meet the Wen Electric Sheet Sander, a dependable finishing tool designed for comfort, control, and efficiency when tackling furniture, wooden boards, tabletops, and other flat surfaces. Its 1/3 sheet rectangular sanding pad reaches straight edges with precision, while quick-release metal paper clamps make sandpaper changes fast and tool-free. The ergonomic textured grip and front handle reduce fatigue during extended use, and the attached dust collection bag helps keep your workspace cleaner. A convenient top-mounted power switch makes operation simple, making it perfect for woodworking, refinishing, and DIY surface preparation. Drill perfectly straight holes with confidence, even without a full-size drill press. Meet the SpeTool Portable Drill Guide, a high-precision woodworking tool featuring linear ball bearings and less than 0.004 inches of radial runouts for clean, accurate results in wood, plastic, and thin metal. Its spring-assisted mechanism automatically returns the drill after each hole, making repetitive drilling faster and less tiring. The durable all-aluminium base includes a built-in V-groove, crosshair alignment marks, and a zero-edge drilling feature for exceptional versatility. Perfect for cabinet hinges, furniture assembly, doweling, shelf pins, trim work, DIY projects, and precision batch drilling. Create clean, professional juice grooves with precision on every cutting board. Introducing the Lunyee Juice Groove Jig, an adjustable metal router jig designed to simplify accurate groove routing for woodworking projects of all sizes. Its quick-adjust design fits cutting boards from 29 by 22 inches down to 14 by 8 inches and supports boards up to 2.5 inches thick. Heavy-duty steel rails and a rigid metal frame reduce vibration for smoother, more consistent cuts, while the simple setup saves valuable workshop time. Compatible with custom or DIY spaces, it is perfect for cutting boards, custom woodworking, furniture projects, and precision routing tasks. Get smoother finishes faster with cordless power built for demanding jobs. Introducing the Makita Random Orbit Sander, a professional-grade tool that combines industrial-strength sanding performance with low vibration for greater comfort and control. Delivering up to 40% more power than comparable pneumatic sanders, it handles woodworking, drywall finishing, and surface preparation with ease. Its ultra-low profile and remote battery port reduce tool weight in your hand, while AWS Bluetooth technology automatically connects with compatible dust extractors for cleaner operation. With up to 48 minutes of runtime on a 40-volt Max XGT battery, it is perfect for precision sanding, refinishing, and job site productivity. Hold every project firmly in place for cleaner, more accurate results. Introducing the Horusdy Bar Clamps Set, a versatile woodworking clamp kit featuring 4 6-inch bar clamps, 2 12-inch bar clamps, and 2 6-inch spring clamps to handle a wide range of tasks. Built with a durable nylon body and hardened steel bars, these quick clamps provide up to 150 pounds of clamping force for dependable performance. The quick change button instantly converts each F-clamp into a spreader, while flexible non-slip pads improve grip and protect surfaces. Perfect for woodworking, furniture assembly, home repairs, gluing, and DIY projects. Drive every fastener with confidence using power built for precision and speed. Meet the Makita Brushless Impact Driver, engineered for tradespeople and demanding DIYers who need reliable cordless performance for every project. Its efficient brushless motor delivers longer runtime and extended tool life, while 4 electronic speed settings provide the right balance of torque and control for delicate or heavy-duty fastening. The rear-mounted control panel lets you change modes without interrupting your workflow, and the 360-degree ring lights eliminate shadows in tight spaces. Compatible with the Makita 18-volt LXT battery platform, it is perfect for construction, cabinetry, woodworking, and home improvement. Keep your creativity flowing while keeping your workspace spotless. Introducing the BeaverCraft Wood Carving Mess Mat, an easy cleanup, portable woodworking hobby work mat designed to catch wood chips, dust, and carving shavings during every project. Made from durable, water-resistant, spun-bond, non-woven fabric, this foldable and non-slip craft surface features snap fasteners that create raised edges, transforming it into a convenient wood shaving shavings collector. A necessity for woodworkers and hobbyists, it prevents debris from spreading and simplifies cleanup. Perfect for whittling, wood carving, beadwork, origami, leathercraft, DIY projects, and maintaining an organized home workshop or crafting space. Create flawless circles with confidence on every woodworking project. Introducing the Kreg Trim Router Circle Guide, a precision accessory designed to deliver clean, repeatable cuts from 3½ inch to 52-inch diameter. Featuring a single grip handle for stability, it provides secure control and reduces fatigue during extended use. Compatible with most trim routers and optimized for the Kreg 1/4 inch straight bit with a 1/4 shank, this tool is a necessity for achieving accurate results with ease. Perfect for woodworking, cabinetry, furniture making, and detailed cutting tasks, helping transform ideas into professional quality circular designs every time with exceptional precision. Take the guesswork out of joinery and achieve perfect alignment every time. Meet the SpeTool Domino Joiner Connector, a precision woodworking accessory engineered for accurate centerline positioning and consistent mortise results. Featuring tip-marking alignment markers, an ergonomic handle, non-slip pads, and an upgraded auxiliary fence with a massive 100 by 140 mm support surface, it delivers greater stability during plunge operations. Built from durable CNC machined anodized aluminum and compatible with DF500 and DF700 accessories, this tool is essential for fast, repeatable mortising. Perfect for cabinetry, furniture building, and professional woodworking projects requiring tight-fitting domino joints and long-term accuracy. Cut with confidence wherever the job takes you. Introducing the Makita Dual-Bevel Sliding Miter Saws, engineered to deliver corded-grade power without the hassle of cords. Featuring a high-efficiency brushless motor reaching 3,600 revolutions per minute and up to 2 times longer sustained power under heavy loads, these saws provide commercial-grade endurance and precise cut alignment. With miter angles up to 60 degrees left and right, 48 degrees bevel capability, blade shadow LED alignment, and AWS Bluetooth dust extraction connectivity, they are essential for demanding professionals. Perfect for trim work, finish carpentry, framing, decking, and on-the-go job sites with limited access to power. Transform flooring projects into fast, precise work with one simple cut. Meet the Naacoo Laminate Floor Cutter, a versatile flooring tool designed to cut vinyl plank floors, engineered wood, laminate, bamboo, parquet, and more with ease. Featuring a maximum cutting width of 13 inches, a 13 mm thickness capacity, and multiple cutting angles of 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees, deliver exceptional flexibility. Its unique one-step angle and length alignment system, replaceable tungsten steel blades, extendable handle, rubber wheels, and safety chain brake bar make it an essential companion for efficient, accurate, and professional flooring installation tasks. Take on the toughest cuts without slowing down. Introducing the Makita Cordless Orbital Recipro saw, engineered to deliver raw power, speed, and comfort for demanding jobs. Powered by Makita's advanced BL brushless motor, it matches or exceeds traditional 15-amp corded performance while cutting up to 40% faster through thick lumber, metal pipe, and demolition materials. Integrated anti-vibration technology reduces vibration by up to 50%, helping minimize fatigue and improve control during extended use. Built on the XGT 40-volt max battery platform, this saw is essential for heavy-duty framing, demolition, pipe cutting, and continuous job site applications. Achieve perfectly aligned cabinet doors with confidence every time. Introducing the Goingmake Cabinet Door Mounting Jig, a quick edge positioner designed for installing frameless or face frame cabinet doors with speed and precision. Crafted from CNC machined aluminum alloy, this adjustable cabinet door installation positioner offers a 0 to 2.5 inch adjustment range for accurate alignment. Anti-slip rubber clamp pads protect surfaces, while the while the extra quick removable edge support pin simplifies full overlay installations without measuring. Acting as a reliable third hand, this cabinet door positioning tool jig is essential for fast, level, and professional cabinet door installation projects. Precision starts with the right tool at your side. Introducing the Sunlfprod Cabinet Hardware Jig, an aluminum alloy cabinet jig for handles, poles, and knobs designed to simplify every installation. Its micro-adjustable base with built-in storage, integrated depth gauge, and laser-engraved ruler markings ensure fast, dead-on hole spacing with minimal measuring. Featuring durable, heat-treated bearing steel bushings, a premium 5mm brad point drill bit, and versatile bushing sliders, it delivers consistent results project after project. Complete with a storage bag and wall mount bracket, this cabinet pull jig is essential for accurate cabinet and drawer hardware installations. Unlock cleaner cuts and greater woodworking precision with every project. Meet the Galax Pro Compact Wood Router, a 1.25 horsepower variable speed trim router delivering adjustable speeds from 12,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute for outstanding control across different materials. Supporting both 1/4 inch and 6mm router bits, it includes an edge guide, a roller guide, router bits, and a dust hood for enhanced versatility. The micro-adjustable depth control offers a 72 to 21mm range, while double insulated construction, a spindle lock, and a trigger safety switch ensure secure operation. This router is essential for trimming, edging, grooving, pattern work, and detailed woodworking applications. Perfect drawer alignment no longer requires an extra set of hands. Introducing the Powertec Drawer Front Installation Clamp, an adjustable cabinet face clamp set designed for quick mounting and precise woodworking alignment. Featuring locking nuts, a micro-positioning bolt, and front and rear clamping bolts, these clamps provide a secure hold for accurate installation and fine-tuning. Built from durable, heavy-duty materials, they are made to withstand years of workshop use. Compatible with frameless and face-frame cabinets, vanities, furniture, and closed drawers, these installation clamps are essential for achieving professional drawer front mounting results with ease. And that wraps up our list of 20 genius woodworking tools you need in your workshop right now. Which one are you adding to your Amazon cart first? Drop it in the comments below. We read every single one. If this video helped you discover some hidden gem tools, smash that like button and subscribe for more woodworking gear reviews, DIY tool finds, and Amazon must-haves every week. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tool video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.